What's up, guys? Thank you very much for tuning into our YouTube channel, Cape Coral Cell Phone Repair TV. If you haven't checked out our previous video on this ProMat RS50, please check it out. It's a great work mat. Also has heating built into it, has enough space for your drivers, for any pieces or parts from your phones that you're putting there. It is magnetized all along the back there. The heat is also controlled by thermostat. There's great things that we have to say about it. Also the thickness, it's a very high-end product. Check it out if you haven't done so already. Also, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please click that subscribe button below before you forget, and click that bell and you'll get notified when we do future videos on different products, machines, equipment used for the cell phone repair industry. So here it is, folks. It's the ReFox RS50, and this jig is something we have been waiting for to receive from Rewa, and we're excited to unbox it and put it to use right away in our repairs. Let's open it up. And here we go. Just get this box out of the way. Okay. Just got this plastic out of the way also. And there it is. Now, my first impression before I start putting stuff together is that the build and the quality, I mean, this thing is rock solid. I mean, check it out, how nice it looks. You have the Fox logo, you have the ReFox RS50 right on there. And what is it going to do for you? While I start opening these knobs here, as many in the industry already know, some are having difficulty in opening the newer phones. They are getting more harder to open just because companies like Apple wants to maintain the waterproofing on their phones, and they also want to make it tight enough so that you don't have problems with water damage. So that's a good thing. The bad thing is if a customer has an issue with a repair, for example, needs a battery replaced or a screen replaced, and for example you want to preserve the OLED display while you're doing a glass only replacement, you don't want to break their phone, break the screen. And so that's where it becomes a little bit of a challenge for many in taking the screen apart, and this device will help you do it. The way you do it is you set your phone down here, and in the back you have a knob that will, as you turn it, I mean, this is what I like too. Look how fast this goes front to back so easily. And you can just clamp your phone from here to here, use the suction on the inside, and press this down to apply the suction. And then here, as you turn this, it'll push down on this. This is really solid too, by the way, folks. It'll start pushing down on it, and what happens is this will start to come up, and the screen also with it. Once you see that the screen is lifted up from the phone to a certain angle, then you can just release the suction like we did there. Take this out, take this, pull this back, get the phone out of here, and then start removing the rest of the screen without having to worry about damaging it. But like they say, wait, there's more. Here's an added bonus that we like from this device here, the RS50. If you are doing a back glass repair, all you need to do is put this knob here and then set your phone at the bottom there and just start pressing down, and you'll see right there, you'll see that as you push this down, there are some springs, 4 of them, along the 4 sides, and it's going to press down, and it's got a foam in here so you don't destroy your phone. Foam on the bottom, foam on the top, and you just press gently until you get to where the phone is, and after it's making contact with the phone, just turn it a few more times, just enough to give it pressure, and let the back glass dry thoroughly there. You could also use it for the screen as well. What's really cool about this is a 2-in-1 machine or device. It will replace 2 devices that we have used previously. We might have used them on our videos as well, so let me show you what it's going to replace. Let's put this to the side. What we just did right now, you have it here. Now, what we don't like about this device here, it only has foam on the top. So one side of the phone, either the back or the front, if it were touching this metal, can easily get scratched. So we had to slide in some foam in there. Didn't like that too much. But look how big this is. And then the other device that it's replacing is this one, which you have seen on our videos, where it does that function of separating the glass. But this feels very light compared to this. So these 2 machines are basically going to be replaced by this. We are very in favor of having machines that can do more than one function. So this machine, or this device, is going to do the function of these 2. It's also occupying less space as far as the width. I mean, folks, how many phones do you have that are 6 inches wide or 5 inches wide? Not many, you know. So this might work for small tablets like the iPad mini and so forth, but what we do the most is phone repairs. So this device right here has enough space to do phones. It's, let's see, the area on the bottom is 3.5 inches. You're not going to see many phones that are wider than that. So but we do 90% of our repairs, which is cell phones. This is perfect. You couldn't ask for anything better than this. This is perfect. And of course, it's replacing this as well, right there. So it's going to take the space of these 2 devices. I think it's a wonderful thing. We are going to start using it. Now, when you are doing an iPhone 12 or an iPhone 13, for example, with this machine, what you want to do is, as you slowly turn, you want to use your heat gun and you want to blow heat along this side and then do the same thing along this side. Okay? Blow heat, blow heat, blow heat. And then, of course, you can use your 99% alcohol needle and just get it along the sides, and you have access to both sides, and slowly start turning this knob and get the screen off of the base of the phone. So again, we are very happy to have this device. It is the RS50. We are going to post a link in the description, so check it out so you can buy yours today. And if you haven't done so already, please remember to hit that subscribe button. We will be reviewing more tools and more devices and more machines in the future. So thank you very much for watching. You all have a great day.